What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. Hope you guys are having a good day, not a brand new day. I'm having a brand new day. It's the morning. I'm on my way home from work and I'm about to do a cold start on the Z for you guys. So yeah, enough said. Cold start, boys. Guys, today I'm just doing a brand new video. I wanted to talk to you guys about some stuff. My brother he is back from Texas with his Camaro, and yesterday I had my first reaction to the craziness or the rowdiness. Oh my gosh, this car is so much more rowdy. When you thought it couldn't get any crazier, it did. And all I gotta say is his car is one hell of a machine. But I'm gonna be heading home from work right now. Got my soda. If anything happens on the freeway, I'm definitely gonna be recording that shit. I'm gonna try to get some runs in. We'll see. But other than that, I'll probably just have a little POV video for you guys, just riding in the Z, doing some downshifts and stuff. One thing that I had to do is I had to take off my tent, because as you guys can see, well, it's obviously gone, but I had to take it off because I got pulled over and got a ticket for that. I also got a ticket for my exhaust. So I'm gonna either have to replace that back to stock, which my car didn't even come with a stock exhaust. It came with a modified exhaust. Or hopefully the silencer that came with the exhaust I bought. Hopefully that is good enough for Southern California. Supposedly, the law is it must be under 95 decibels. That's what I've heard. I don't know if that's true or not, but hopefully that's the case, because, I mean, with how it sounds right now, without the silencer, it is definitely not under 95 decibels, or if it is, it's close. But hopefully with the silencer, it would be the difference that they need. Give me my, let me drive my car. Hopefully I don't get state refed. That would be really bad. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let the car warm up and then we will be on our way. Bro, this shit lit. Wait, guys, I just gotta make sure that everything's working. Control your GoPro. Come on, come on, come on. What? Oh my god, another GoPro's coming out? That's wild. Alright. Maybe tilts a little bit up. I don't know. Is that good? Yeah, that looks good. Alright, guys. Man, I always hate backing up. Squeaky brakes. You know how that goes in the morning. Oh man. Well, guys, I don't have tint anymore, so people can clearly see through my windows and notice what a dumbass I look like. Alright guys, so yesterday I was riding in the Z, just riding all normal, you know, how it do. And then driving all normal, and then I'll just insert the clip right here. My brother, he pulled up next to me and he pulled off going, he was wilding out, boys, let me tell you that. That's how you merge, boys. That's how you merge onto a freeway properly. You just go mate straight into the left lane. Don't even put a blinker on. Don't even look over your shoulder. Just, bro, can you chill out? What is making so much noise? Well guys, I guess I don't think there's gonna be any action today. Looks like the freeways are pretty empty. The most I've seen so far was that Scion XB back there. He had some blue headlights, looked pretty lit, but he couldn't quite handle the sauce on the highway entrance. Alright guys, well, if anything happens I will see you then. If not, once I get off the freeway, I'm probably gonna record the outro for y'all. So yeah, see you in a second. get to line it up, that guy? Didn't really get to line it up with him, but well, actually kind of we did, but there's like way too much traffic right now in the morning to be able to get a race in. But I was actually pretty even with the brand new, or not a brand new STI, but a new STI. That's pretty impressive, guys. For a DE, that's pretty impressive, huh? Alright guys, I am almost off the freeway. Gonna be hitting those off-ramp downshifts, if you know what I mean, boys. I got this Ford Fusion coming up, flying up next to me, trying to impress me. Look at this fool. Woo! Woo, buddy! On the Charger SXT. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, guys, I actually got a race in for once. Especially during the daytime, that's pretty lit. Raced a STI. And I really think I could have beat that fool. Or at least I did. You know? Oh, I'm getting a call.
Alright, see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay then. Had to let the guy know that he was missing the light. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too much for you guys. Still gonna be figuring out how these videos are gonna be working for you guys. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a bit of getting used to. But I'm gonna... Wow, I gotta stop for that shit. Bullshit. Alrighty.